Hey everyone, welcome in today's video. Today I've come with some previous year questions for Math Class 12 board exam. Here are the most important repeated PYQ questions you must practice. These questions are repeated every year in Class 12 board exam. So I've got some MCQ base which is for 1 marks each format. For the first question is the value of I cap cross j cap dot j cap plus j cap cross I cap dot k cap. So first we are writing the formula for cross and dot product. So we know a vector cross b vector gives a magnitude of a vector, magnitude of b vector sine theta, and a vector dot b vector gives magnitude of a, magnitude of b cos theta. So first what we are going to do is simplifying the first term, which is I cap cross j cap. So we know I cap cross j cap gives k cap, right? So we are going to write, we get k cap, and when we do the dot of k cap dot j cap, we get 0, because we know k cap dot j cap are perpendicular. So cos, the value of cos 90 is 0, while if we do the dot of k cap dot k cap, which is in, they are aligned in the same line, so we get angle theta is 0, which is cos 0 is 1, that's why this is 0. Okay, for the second one we have j cap cross I cap, which is minus k cap, because it is along negative direction, so this is minus k cap. And if we do the dot product with k cap, we get 1 but in minus, so this is minus 1. Now we have this value 0 plus bracket minus 1, which gives minus 1. So this is the answer. So it usually comes in like options, like there are 4 options and you have to tick one, right? So this is the next question. If p a by b is zero point 0.3, probability of a is 0.4, and while the probability of b is 0.8, then the value of p b by a. So it's, we know this is known as conditional probability, where probability of a given b such that probability of a intersection b by probability of b. So we have like given the probability of a such given b, which is 0.3, and probability of b, which is 0.8. So we are going to solve that and will get probability of a intersection b as given. Okay, so probability of a intersection b will be 0.24. Now for the question, we have probability of b such that a is the probability of a intersection b by probability of a, which is 0.24 divided by 0.4. So the answer will be, now we'll solve this, so the answer will be 0.6. Okay, I have also a short trick for this question, which can save our time in MCQ based questions or in exams. So for the trick, we have to find, in as per question, we have to find probability of b such that a. So that formula, we have probability of a given b into probability of b. So the formula will be probability of a such that b into probability of b divided by probability of a. So this is mostly for MCQ tricks, and yes, it will work on most of the questions, like for most probability questions, like where the probability of the given question will be greater and less than 1, greater than 0 but less than 1. Okay, let's move to the third question. We have to find the degree of differential equation. So you know that what is degree and order of. So the order is the highest derivative given. Here is the highest derivative with the cos, which is dy by dx, and the order of this derivative is 1, while the degree is power of this highest derivative, power of this highest order derivative, which is also 1, because when we write it like cos of dy by dx, so the highest derivative of this is 1 and the power is also 1. Okay, this is the fourth question. The magnitude of a vector cross b vector is root 3, and dot product of a and b is minus 3. So the angle between this a vector and b vector will be, so first we are writing the formulas of this cross and dot products, then we'll simplify it by making it equation. So if we put these two equations in divide, so the magnitudes of a and b vectors are cut out. Okay, now we are putting the values of this cross and dot products, which is root 3 by minus 3, and sine by cos theta is tan theta. So first we have to simplify it, which is tan theta is equal to root 3 by minus 3. Now we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by root 3. Is equal to minus of 1 by root 3. We know in the trigonometric table of tan theta, tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3, but here it is in negative. So we know in second and fourth quadrant the value of tan is in negative. So if we do from pi by 2 to pi, we get tan theta, and theta is we have to find the theta for that, which is theta is equal to 180 minus 30, gives theta is equal to 150 degree. So the angle is 150 degree because of it is obtuse in second quadrant. Okay, this is the last MCQ question for today's video, which is integration of 2 to the power x plus 2 dx will be. So we know the formula for the exponential form, which is integration of a to the power x dx will be a to the power x by log of a plus c. So now we are just going to put it in the value where a is equal to 2 while the x is x by 2. So we get 2 to the power x plus 2 by log of 2 plus c. So this is the answers, and that's it for today's video. This is the part 1 of the video, and part 2 will soon release with more marks format questions.